Namaste, this is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Today topic areas of plane figures part 8 for 8th class students, right? So in this part we discuss about some more problems, right? So belongs to areas of plane figures, right? Let me do first problem. A horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field. See, here the field is in rectangular shape, right? A horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field, which dimensions are 70 meters length and 52 meters breadth, right? And it is threaded to on one corner. Threaded to one corner by a rope of length 21 meters long, right? How much area can it graze? Observe carefully. Here the field is in which shape? Rectangular shape. First we have to draw a rectangular shape field, right? It is a field. A, B, C, D is a rectangular field, right? Which dimensions? 70 meters by 52 meters means length 70 meters. It is length from here to here. The total length is 70 meters, right? And the breadth from here to here. The breadth is how much? 52 meters, right? So length given and the breadth also given. Yes, next. And it means horse is tethered to one corner. Means ఒక కార్నర్ లో హార్స్ ని tethered means కట్టివేయడం, తాడుతో కట్టివేయడం. Here one corner. So the length of rope is 21 meters. 21 meters length of rope. So it is tethered, right? So from here to here, the thread is 21 meters. This is a horse, right? So the question is, how much area can it graze, right? So the area covered by the horse is like this. See, so the horse can graze this area only, right? Now we have to find this area, right? So it is P, it is Q. We know very well in rectangle each angle is 90 degrees. It is rectangle. In rectangle one angle is 90 degrees, that is right angle. In rectangle ABCD, each angle is 90, it is 90. It is also 90, 90, 90. Right? So if we observe this shaded region, it is look like a sector. See, it is a sector. So now we have to find this area. That is area of sector. Right? Required area. Required area is equal to, required area means here the question is how much area can horse graze, means ఆ గుర్రము ఎంత గడ్డి తినే వైశాల్యం, ఆ ఏరియా ఎంత అంటే అది కనుక్కోవాలి ఇక్కడ మనం. మీన్స్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఏరియా మీన్స్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ దిస్ సెక్టర్, దట్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఏరియా, రైట్? రిక్వైర్డ్ ఏరియా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏరియా ఆఫ్ sector. Area of sector APHQ. APHQ. Right? So we know very well area of sector formula. Area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square. Right? Here theta is angle of sector. Here angle of sector is 90 degrees. Right? So theta 90 degrees by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into r square. R is radius of sector, that is length of rope, represent the radius. See, radius of sector is 21. R is equal to 21, radius of sector. R square means 21 into 21. Right? Now cancel them. 0, 0 cancel, 9 ones, 9 fours. Right? And again, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s. 7 ones, 7 threes. So what is the remaining value? 11 threes are 33 into 21 by 2. Right? So 33 into 21. Multiply and divide into 2. So the result is 33 into 21. 3 ones 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 3, 9, 6. 693. 693 by 2. That is equal to, divide with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 1 is there, 2 6s are 0.5 meter square. See, the area grazed by the horse is 346.5 meters square, right? Yes, go for next problem. It is also one of the interesting problem. Observe carefully. From a piece of cardboard. So it is piece of cardboard. A, B, C, D. It is a cardboard sheet, right? From a piece of cardboard in the shape of trapezium. So this cardboard sheet is in trapezium shape. A, B, C, D is a trapezium, and in which AB parallel CD. AB parallel CD. These two sides are parallel, right? And angle BCD 90. BCD, it is 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. That is the angle of this sector. It is in sector shape, right? A quarter circle is removed from this cardboard sheet. We removed a quarter circle, that is ECB. It is quarter circle, right? In circle, fourth part of circle is called a quarter circle, right? So BCE is a quarter circle which is in sector shape, right? So from cardboard sheet, if we remove this sector, then what is the area of, find the area of remaining piece, right? See, in this AB equal to BC equal to 3.5. AB, it is 3.5 centimeter, and BC, it is also 3.5 centimeters, right? Next, and D is 2 centimeters. D, it is 2 centimeters, right? And what next? So in this quarter circle, it is 3.5, that is radius of this quarter circle, then it is also 3.5 centimeters. What is the length of total CD is? CD is 2 plus 3.5, that is 5.5 centimeters, right? So finally we conclude that. So first we have to find the area of total trapezium, right? And we have to subtract the area of this sector, means it quarter circle. Then we get the piece, the remaining piece, right? So in this problem we have to find what is the area of remaining piece after removing a sector, a quarter circle, right? So we need this area only, right? Very simple. So how we get this shaded region? Area of trapezium minus area of this quarter circle, right? area of required piece is equal to area of trapezium ABCD minus area of quarter circle, that is a sector, area of sector. Right? We know very well area of trapezium formula, half h into a plus b minus area of sector formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Right? That is equal to area of trapezium. Half h means the distance between parallel sides. The distance between parallel sides, that is height, means it is perpendicular to base. Say it is h. Here h is 3.5, right? 3.5 into a plus b. AB are parallel sides. It is a value and this b value. These two are parallel sides, right? So a plus b 5.5 plus b 3.5, right? Minus theta by 360. Theta means angle of sector, that is 90. 90 by 360 into pi, 22 by 7 into r square. R is radius of this sector. Radius of this sector is 3.5, right? 3.5 can be written as 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5, right? Now simplify this. 1 by 2 into 3.5 into 5.5 plus 3.5, 9 into 9, right? Minus 0 0 cancel, 9 ones 9 fours, 2 twos 2 11s, 7 ones 7.5, right? So here remaining is 11 and a half. 11 halves, 5.5. 5.5 into 3.5 by 2, right? That is equal to 2 ones to 4.5. 3.5 into 4.5 value is 15.75 minus, yes, multiply and divide with 2, we get 9.625. 9.625. So after subtracting this from this, we get that is 6.125 centimeter square. This is the required area. Once again listen, ABCD is a trapezium shaped cardboard, and from one corner we removed a quarter circle, means a sector. Then what is the area of remaining sheet? That is remaining. It is only remaining sheet. It is cutted from total cardboard sheet. Yes. When we get this remaining sheet, means we have to subtract a sector from total trapezium like this. Area of required piece is equal to area of trapezium minus area of sector. So in this way we get 6.125 is the answer. Right? Go for next problem. It is also one of the important problem. 4 circles, each of radius a units, touch one another. Right? Here 4 circles with the same radius, means a units. Radius is a units. Touch one another. Right? Find the area between them. Yes. First, draw the diagram. 4 circles with the same radius touch one another, means like this. It is a first circle and second circle, like this, touch one another, and the third circle and the fourth circle, like this, touch one another, right? Like this. These 4 circles are having same radius, right? That is a units. It is a units, it is also a units. So it is a units, it is also a units, right? A units A units. It is also A units. Right? And capital A is the center of this circle. B is the center of this circle. It is also radius A units. And it is C, it is D. Right? So, four circles having same radius. That is A, and it is also A. Right? Now, we have to find the area between them. The area in between four circles is, this is the area between four circles, right? Now, we have to find this area, right? So, observe carefully, here ABCD is A. So, what is the length of AB? Length of AB is A plus A, 2A, right? And the length of BC, A plus A, it is also 2A. It is also 2A, it is also 2A. So observe carefully, ABCD is a square. In square, each angle is 90 degrees. Right? So when we get this area, very simple. Area of square ABCD minus area of four sectors. It is one sector, it is another sector, it is another sector. Means four sectors. So if we subtract four sectors from total square, we get this shaded region, right? The area between four circles. We get this area, right? So area between four circles is equal to area of square ABCD minus 4 into how many sectors are there? 4 sectors. So 4 into the 4 sectors are congruent sectors. Look like say 4 into area of sector. Right? So area of square formula, side into side, minus 4 into area of sector, theta by 360 into theta is angle of sector into pi r square. R is radius of sector. That is equal to side into side. Area of square, its side is 2a. 2a into 2a minus 4 into theta is angle of sector, that is 90 degrees. See, 90 by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into r square. R is radius of sector. Here radius of sector is a units, right? So r is equal to a units, right? Radius of sector a square, right? 2a into 2a, 2 2s are 4, a into a square, minus, now cancel it, 0 0. 4 9s are 36 and 36 get cancelled. Here the remaining is 22 by 7 a square. Right? Now simplify this like a mixed fraction. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 28 a square minus 22 a square by 7. That is equal to 28 minus 22, 6. 6 a square. 6 a square by 7. Right? So that is the area between 4 circles, 6 a square by 7. By using this formula, we can find the area in between 4 circles with the same radius. Right? Yes, go for next problem. It is application problem for previous problem. See, 4 circles each of radius 14 centimeters touch one another, right? Here the radius of circle is here A is 14 centimeters, right? That is radius of circle. The radius of circle R is equal to A is equal to 14 and side of square S is equal to 2A. 2 into 14, that is equal to 28 centimeters. Observe carefully. Four circles of each of radius 14 centimeters touch one another. Find the area between them. So we know very well the formula. The formula is 6a square by 7. We can use directly the formula. No need to write the remaining steps, right? We can write directly. So these are four circles touch one another. The area between them is, here the radius of circle A is 14 centimeters. Radius of circle R is equal to A is equal to 14 and the side of square S is equal to 28 centimeters, right? So therefore area between four circles is equal to, the formula is 6a square by 7, right? That is equal to 6 by 7 a square. Here a is radius 14. A square means 14 into 14. A square can be written as a into a. So 14 into 14, right? We can use directly this formula. 7 ones are 7 twos are, right? 6 twos are 12 into 40. That is equal to 12 fours are 48, 168 centimeters. So the area between four circles is 168, right? So when given radius of equal circle and touch one another, then the area between them, the formula is 6a square by 7. So by using this formula, we can find the area between them directly, right? Yes, go for next problem. See, the area of an equilateral triangle is 49 root 3 centimeters square. Area of equilateral triangle means in which all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees. Observe carefully. ABC is an equilateral triangle. The given area of this total triangle, right? Area of equilateral triangle. EQ triangle means equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle how much? 49 root 3, right? That is equal to 49 into root 3 value 1.732. That is equal to 84.77, right? Centimeter square. It is area of equilateral triangle. So this area of equilateral triangle, right? Leave it. Next, taking each angular point as center. So in this equilateral triangle, A is vertex. So this vertex taking as center, draw a circle like this. Its radius is 7 and it is also 7, right? And B is another vertex, another center of second circle. Then it is radius, it is also radius, and C is also center of third circle. C, it is radius and it is also radius, right? So taking each angular point as center, a circle is described with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle, right? So here the side of triangle is 14 centimeters. Then the radius is 7. Here also 7. Here also 7, 7, 7, 7 like this. Right? Then the question is, find the area between three circles, right? So the area between three circles it is a shaded region. This is the area required, right? So simply the question is, if three circles with the same radius touch to one each other, then what is the area between three circles, right? So if we join the centers of circles, we got an equilateral triangle, right? Here ABC is equilateral triangle. So its side is 7, 7, 14, its side is, and radius of circle is half of the side of equilateral triangle, that is 7. Here also 7, 7, 7, 7, right? So when we get the area of region in between three circles means area of equilateral triangle means area of equilateral triangle minus area of three sectors, right? We know area of equilateral triangle. Then find the area of three sectors, right? Area of three sectors. What is the area of sector formula? Here three sectors are there. See, 3 into area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square, right? That is equal to 3 into theta means angle of sector 60 degrees. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. Here theta is 60 degrees. Angle of sector theta is 60 degrees, right? And the radius of sector is 7. R is equal to 7. Theta 60 by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into r square 7 into 7, right? So 0 0 cancel. 3 6 are 18, 18 2s are 36. 2 1s, 2 11s. 7 7 cancel. The remaining is 11 7s are 77 centimeters square, right? So we know area of equilateral triangle and area of three sectors. So therefore area of shaded region in between three circles, right? Means this is the required area. See, find the area between three circles. Therefore, area between three circles is equal to area of equilateral triangle, that is 84.77. Area of equilateral triangle 84.77 minus area of three sectors 77. That is equal to 7.77 centimeters square. This is the required area, right? So once again listen. The given three circles with the same radius touch to one another, and the triangle formed by the join the centers of circle, we got one equilateral triangle, right? So this equilateral triangle area also given. What is the equilateral triangle area? 49 root 3. That is equal to 84.77. And what is the three sectors? 77. Right? Now we subtract area of three sectors from area of equilateral triangle. We get the area between three circles. Right? That is 7.77 centimeters square.